today we're going to be showing you guys how to create a Google account. So first you're going to be able, or a YouTube account. First you're going to create an account, and then you're going to just make your name that you would like. Then you're going to move on to basic information. You're going to have to enter your birthday and gender. I just put in a random birthday. This is not my actual birthday because I already have a YouTube account, obviously. Select a password or create your own right here, and then put in a password. I will not be showing you the password. Then you'll put in your phone number. Like I said, I will not be showing my phone number or password, so you guys cannot hack or know my phone number. Then you're going to put in the code that the phone number has sent you, which was this for me. And then it's going to bring you to this page. You're just going to go down to the very, very bottom and click accept. And guys, that is how you create a YouTube account in 2020. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want more educational commentaries, like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one. If you guys like this content, like I said, like and subscribe and comment and say you want more. Peace out.